Okay, so today what we're going to do is look at how to prep some of these statements. The first thing that we're going to need to do is basically concatenate the various lines into a field. So this is what will show up on the actual statement. This is going to be the first step. So got an example here. I'm going to load open Excel. And if I look at this file right here, I see it says 1525 BMI example, a number, and then a dollar amount. 1525 is the invoice number. BMI is who it's from. And then we would usually have the name of the publishing company after it, the statement ID, and then the dollar amount. Okay, so I'm going to open this. Okay, and so here's the statement. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a notes field at the end of whatever the last column is. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my formula in. So there's a list of formulas that are on the slides. You can just copy and paste them, put them in a text document. So the one that I'm looking for is this one right here, BMI domestic. Okay. Okay, so I've got it right here, and I'm just going to copy and then paste this for the rest of the lines. Okay, and so usually it depends on the statement. For this BMI one right here, it has the name of the show, and then it shows basically the network that it's on. And some of the foreign ones, it will also show the country or the right society that it came from as well. So if I look at the formula right here, I see that it's column J and H. So I'm actually just going to hide a lot of these. So I'm going to take these columns and just hide them. And then I'm just going to freeze my top row. There we go, freeze top row. And then okay, so J and H. So we're looking at J and then H. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through this and just kind of QC this and make sure that I have this information, basically that J and H, that I have something on every line. So I can see right here, it's missing a bunch of stuff here. So in this case, I'm just going to take either the country or any information right now that I have for this. It's better than not having something, right? So I'll put this in. I see that concatenates. If there's nothing to put in there, like let's see, these are all countries, so that's fine. But I could also type in unknown, right? And so it would look something like that. Okay, so after you have everything, just do a quick little QC on this, make sure that we have everything in there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste special, and I'm going to paste those values back in there. And so now instead of the formulas, I'm going to have the raw data. I am going to unhide everything. Okay, and then I'm going to save this as a Excel SX file.